Bunny's Craft.
Hello, welcome to Bunny's Craft. I am here, a little bit different. Today I am ill. Really ill. Well, not really ill. I just got a cold, but you know, can't really do a lot. I'm not at work today. Everyone's out, so I'm a bit bored. So what I'm gonna do is basically show you my makeup, what I like to use. Why not? Yeah, I haven't got energy to do anything else, but let's just do it. So, take these off. So, first of all, this one. This is ELF. ELF, it means eyes, lips and face, so they do products for eyes, lips and face. So, this is a face primer, mineral infused. It doesn't really say a lot. The rest is on the box. I don't have the box. I should have got a mirror. 1 second. I have my mirror, so that might help a bit. So basically, as you probably all know, primer, put it on before your makeup. I put it under my eyes and on my chin because that's where I usually put my makeup. So just like that. Wahoo! Easy. Basically, so your foundation sits on top of the primer rather than sit on your skin, making it all oily, greasy, and disgusting. So next thing I use is this from Barry M. By the way, all these products are vegan and cruelty free, just so you know. So this is the Flawless Matte Finish Oil-Free Foundation. Nude. It's a nude colour. So I just use this with this brush. Just a tiny bit. What I just do, I dab it on my chin and on my spots, basically. Well, and my eyes. Basically, once it's dry, doesn't take long, you can layer it up, so it's quite good. You don't really have to use a lot, but it works well, I guess. Okay, so after that one, I use this foundation, which is from ELF again, and it's like a stick almost of foundation. This is quite a solid colour, so I don't usually use a lot, and again I just put it under my eyes and on my chin just so it fills up all the spaces that I've missed. I don't like putting a lot on because I don't do it all over. You see where the lines are, which obviously is not a good look, so I just put a little bit on of this so you don't see the lines. I'm just doing this quickly because I'm not going out at all. So yeah, that is the ELF stick, moisturising foundation stick, that's what it says. So that's that one. Next thing I use is this. I got this recently, it's pretty good. MUA Makeup Academy. It's the Pro Base Full Coverage Matte Pressed Powder, which is nice. And basically I just put this on after my foundation, and just so it gives it a more skin-like look, I guess. Like obviously you can see the foundation if you're close enough, but this just evens it out to your skin tone, and it gets rid of any of them harsh lines if I put too much on of the other stuff. Voila! So next thing I do, I use ELF mascara, which I really like. It's just easy to put on, I guess. And I don't like putting a lot of makeup on, just to make me less tired. Simple everyday makeup. Just like so. So after that, well, not after that, if I'm feeling in a good mood, I'll put this eyeliner on, which is again MUA, just matte black eyeliner. I usually do the little winged effect, but this one's really nice. I find it easier to use than like the soft brushes. I don't really like them. But then just to brighten up my eyes further, I use this Barry M Kohl pencil, which I really like. It's just white eyeliner, and obviously it goes on your eyes if you don't get that. Just a little bit underneath. Just to brighten up the eyes. And then lastly, I just brush out it's manky, don't look at it. I just brush these out. No point doing anything to it because nowadays everyone's looks fake, so just brush them out and boom, there we go. And then I usually just take down my hair and let it do what it wants, just like that. I usually don't brush my hair either, just because it goes so frizzy, but after that I'm pretty much ready to go out once I put these back on, because that would be a bit of a disaster. So this is my makeup. If you can see, it's obviously not that amazing or extravagant, but that's what I like to use. I don't know if you can really see it. I don't really do this, so I don't know how to really use the camera close up, so this is probably just a little bit scary right now, so I apologize. But yeah, eyes, foundation, whatever. Also, one last thing, if I was to put lipstick on, I liked using this one. It's Barry M again, the matte one, really nice. And I use the lip liner. I will just show you quickly, seeing as I've got time. And it just goes on as a liquid and dries matte. And it will literally last all day long if you're not too rough with it. So that is that colour. I'm not sure. It says blowout on the bottom. That might be the colour, but I don't want to hold it to that. Blowout, yeah, it must be. It says it on this one as well. This came in a pack. So Barry M do a liner and a gloss in a pack. I think they're around $6.99 or $7.99. I'm literally putting this on so quickly. Kind of looks horrendous, but it's not usually that bad. But as I said, I'm ill and I can't be bothered. So that is the lipstick as well. It's quite a nice colour, well, yeah, quite subtle, I'd say, not over the top or anything, and it's, yeah, if you can see, I don't know how good the lighting is, but yeah, so the eyes, the lips, and then the hair just goes wild, and that's how I get ready. As quick as that. I'm literally barely going to edit this video, so however long the video is pretty much how long my makeup takes. And then obviously my style, nice vintage dresses, little shoes, and yeah, that's how it goes. At the moment I have my Miranda jumper on because it's a lazy day / ill day, and who cares, no one can see me. So I'm gonna have a shower, wash this off because I'm not going out. But I hope you had a good time. It's a little bit different. Yeah. I don't know really what else to say, so I'm just gonna go have a nice week, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.